Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. I have got a Pilates class that's nice and short, and it is all about our upper body. I use a 3-pound weight throughout class. If you don't have a weight, no big deal. If you have one of a different size, that's totally fine too. You might just use your muscles to keep your arms lifted the entire time, and that's a fabulous way to build strength as well. Now, this is one that I hope helps our posture a little bit. I do say so throughout class, but make sure that if you start to cramp up while we're doing a little arm work, you can stop. You can relax and shake it out and then join back in. Anywho, go ahead, roll out your mat or take a seat. Let's get started. Go ahead and find an easy seat on your mat or even on a chair, honestly, if you want to do it from there. But take a moment and roll the shoulders back. Pull your navel in towards your spine. Lift up and out of your waist just a little bit. Envision that I'm holding your ears and I'm physically pulling your ears up to the sky. Our chin doesn't go with us. It stays in line where it started, but find a little more openness across your chest. Now, with all that still nice and active, do drop your chin to your chest and roll your right ear to right shoulder. Bring your chin back down to chest. Roll your left ear to left shoulder. Just sway it side to side. As big, small, fast, slow, as whatever feels good for you. And then bring the chin right back down. Bring your gaze up, take a big inhale, lifting your hands high overhead. Now rotate your pinkies towards one another and slide them a little higher up to the ceiling, like someone is physically pulling your wrist up to the sky. Clasp the hands together, bring them behind your head, and wing the elbows wide. Now it's easy to splay the ribs here. Wrap the ribs towards one another. Think about your oblique muscles wrapping in as well. I often say it's like you have a belt on and it got one notch tighter. It's that feeling of kind of pulling everything into the middle of your body. Gently push your head into your hands into your head. Take a big inhale. Little twist to the right. Inhale, look forward. Little twist to the left. Inhale, look forward. Let it go. Roll the shoulders backwards a couple of times and make those really big, purposeful circles. So not just flapping them around, but being mindful. Take them in the other direction. So it's like I reach them as far back, far up to the sky, far forward, and far down as possible in my body. Pause. Let's go ahead and one more time. Reach both hands up, just like we did a moment ago. Wrap the pinkies towards one another. Lift up and out of the waist. We'll take a little twist now. Right hand back, left hand forward. This can be as deep or shallow as you want to. Maybe you really point your nose towards your back hand. Unravel both hands. Lift. Other direction. A nice easy twist. Broaden across the chest. Let that go. Flip the palms, press them down. Now, everything we just accomplished, opening up across our chest, lengthening through our neck, I want you to think about those things while we start to do a little upper body. It's easy to kind of let everything creep up while we work hard there, so we want to keep it soft and long. We want our abdominal muscles working. Grab your weight. And like I said, I'm just using one single weight today. If you don't have one, that's okay. We're going to start with our hands in a great big circle. So kind of envision you've got a beach ball and you're hugging the beach ball. We do not want to droop our little elbows off to the side. We want to keep them nice and wide. Pull the navel to spine, lift up and out of the waist. Are you caving your chest in already? Can you roll the shoulders back? Can you pull the tips of the shoulder blades together at the same time? It's like your belt got tighter. Now from here, take a big inhale. And again, I want us to take a twist to the right, but we're going to slide our arms with us. My head is only moving because my chest and my arms are. Inhale, come back to center. Twist in the opposite direction. Inhale, come back to center. So you can kind of think of it this way. Point your nose at your circle or at your weight or your hands, and keep your nose in line with either the weight or your arms kind of holding each other. Now, as we twist, we want to keep our elbows lifted, almost like we're sitting on a little table and we're just sliding our arms across the table. Think about kissing the tips of the shoulder blades together, wrapping the ribs in, and each time you twist, I want you to do an exhale And think about your belly button muscles kind of pulling the navel in, wringing out the spine a little bit more. Let's do one more to each side. Exhale, twist. Inhale, return. Last one, twist. Inhale, return, pause. Sit up taller, sit up straighter, set the weight down. Roll the shoulders purposely. Is there any tension in your neck? Even just little movements like that, gosh, they can be so hard, can't they? Anytime that that tension creeps in, know that you can relax and pause. You can always pause the video entirely and then join back in. I don't want you to creep up as we move. I want you to keep that relaxed, lifted feeling. Now again, grab it in both hands. This time, long arms. If there's a soft bend in your elbows, that's okay, but belly button up and in. Inhale, slide your hands up overhead. Exhale, pull the navel to spine, reach it straight out in front of you. Inhale, slide the weight up overhead. Exhale, belly button in, bring it down in front of you. And if you don't have a weight, it's totally fine. A lot of times we do our Pilates arms with no weights and we just activate the arms. You can imagine that there is quicksand or peanut butter around you. You should imagine that even if you're holding the weight, it's resistance on the way up and there's resistance on the way down. One more just like that. Inhale, lift, shoulders stay down the back, but your arms climb up to the sky. Exhale, pull the navel in and drop it down. Pause. It's right in line with your sternum. Take a big, deep inhale. We're going to slowly pull the weight to our heart and then a quick push out. So it comes in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick out. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick out. Now, when I do that little quick out, I'm not just like jamming my arms forward. I have that kind of quicksand sort of feeling. I'm quickly trying to move through something that would be hard to push through. I could just easily whack those arms out, but that's not going to feel good on my joints. That's not really strengthening the muscles in a nice, safe way. So do that quick out and push. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick out. 2 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick out. Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick out. Pause. Hug the inner arms towards one another. Pull the navel up and in. Take a big inhale. Big breath out. Drop the weight down towards the ground without losing that rotation. Exhale, bring it right back up to sternum height. Drop it down towards the ground. Lift your sternum up, your head up higher. Exhale, cinch the waist. Pull it right back up. Inhale down. Exhale, cinch and lift. 2 more down. Exhale, cinch and lift. Last one. Exhale, lift up, pause. Belly button up and in, shoulders down the back, lift the head a little higher. Take a big deep inhale. Circle the arms towards your body for 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite direction. In for 4, 3, 2, 1. Go forward. 4. Now as we circle the arms, and if you do a few more in one way or the other, not the end of the world, switch directions. Keep lifting your head higher, pulling the navel up and in. Relax, smile. Sometimes that helps relieve tension through the jaw. Go forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull it back to our starting position, that lovely little beach ball pose. Shoulders down the back, head lifts high, belly button up and in. A little bit different. This is arms and some obliques. I want you to take your twist to the right and pause. It doesn't have to be the deepest twist, but think about your abdominal muscles helping to twist your body. It's not my shoulders. I'm not jacking my shoulders over. Instead, I'm thinking about my oblique muscles twisting. Now, from here, we're going to do a little kind of pulse back behind us. It's almost like you're trying to poke your right elbow further back behind you, but each time you do, pull the navel to spine, wrap the abdominal muscles in towards the middle of your body. So we kind of do that pulse back for 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. Exhale on the little twist. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. One more time. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. Come back to center. Belly button in, shoulders high. Not shoulders high, head high. Take your twist in the opposite direction. Belly button to spine. Little twist. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. Wrap the oblique muscles in. Belly button pulls in towards the middle of your body. Twist again. 4, 3, 2, 1, and twist. Last time. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let it go. Set the weight down, off to the side, hands to the tops of the thighs, shoulders down the back, head high. Big inhale. Drop your chin to chest. Feel like you're giving yourself a double chin as you lift your head up, and then roll your right ear to right shoulder. Bring the chin back down. Roll left ear to left shoulder. Again, take your right ear to right shoulder and pause. Reach your opposite hand away from the body. At first, just send the fingertips as far away as you can. And I want you to flex the wrist. Push the heel of the hand away. Rotate your pinky in towards the body, all the fingers really. And then externally rotate it away. Bring it in. Send it out. And just pause in a spot that feels kind of nice. Take a breath. Keep reaching your hand away, roll your chin all the way back down to the chest. Let the arm go. Left ear to left shoulder, or opposite if you've done the other side. And start by extending your right hand, the opposite hand away. I'm lifting my right ear up. I'm sending my right fingertips away. And then I flex the hand. And I find some rotation in my arm. Maybe I notice one side it feels totally different. It might feel good in a different spot, or maybe it's too much on this side and you need to pause. That's okay. Eventually do pause. Kind of bring the chin all the way down to the chest. Let that go. Sit up taller, sit up straighter. As always, a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again.